while you and me repeat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afreen, and in today's video I'm gonna talk on, or I'm gonna tell you a backdrop. So I'm gonna tell you which backdrop I have select on Amazon and which backdrop I have ordered from Amazon, and then I will tell you how to assemble that and how can you fix that, and then I will tell you how much I satisfy from that backdrop. So this backdrop is not so much cheap, but also this backdrop anyone can afford. This is not too much costly, so anybody can afford that backdrop, and anybody can buy that from Amazon. If you want, then I can give a link in my description box. You can go and check it out. So what I searched a lot on Amazon, and then I came to this one. This is Limo Studio Photo Video Studio. This is 10 feet adjustable and muslin background backdrop support system is 10. So as you can see that this is 10 feet, and yeah, now we moving further to how you can assemble it and how can you fix it, how can you make it for your studio. So have a look. So here I'm getting my parcel and I'm ready to open my parcel, and I'm really excited to open it. As you can see, I can't wait anymore. So guys, as you can see, I'm just can't wait myself to open it. Now I'm opening it, and this is the book which you don't need anymore, because I tell you, and then you will not need to open the book. So you can see there's two stand like this. This is the second one. This is the stand, supporting stand, and there's 4 rod. So now I'm showing you the stand, how you can open it and fix it. So this is how you can open it and place it wherever you want to place it, and from there you can adjust your lower level. And from this is the second knob. As you can see, there's 3 knobs to adjust the height of this, and I'm showing you that how can you adjust the height by losing the knob and then fixing it. Like, as you can see guys, it is really simple. So this is how I adjust my height. So this is my height and I adjusted, and now I'm showing you it looks like this, and this is both. And now they have given 4 rod to hang up, but I used only 2 rod, because I need only 2 rods. So there is 2 rod which I don't able to use, but these 2 I'm going to use. So now I'm showing you how can you fix 2 rod each other. So this is D, rod D. You got rod with naming. This is rod A, and how to you fix each other. This is very simple. Just you have to do this thing, and then you done. I think you got it guys. This is really easy. Now this is something where I got frustrated and I got very confused how you can fix this, and I do lots of effort, and then after that I got to know that this is really simple. There's not any rocket science. You just have to place it off, that's it. So I thought I have to share this UO. So this is not a rocket science. You have to place it, that's it. Don't do anything, don't take any screwdriver or anything. So this is how it looks like. This is really simple. As you can see how in a very less time it will fix, and yeah, it looks like this. So yeah, my backdrop is ready. So guys, as you can see how easy it was, how easily you can fix it, how it will not take too much time. It just take only 5 minutes, and even gradually it will take less than 5 minutes, because then you will habitual to do that. So this is really good. And as you can see my back side, this is my backdrop, and this is using of that Limo studio. Now the time when I tell you how satisfied I am with that product. So I am super satisfied with that product, and I am super grateful that I have choose that one, because this is completely worth for me. I know this is a little bit costly. I'm sorry, I forget to mention that the cost of that. So this is about $34. so yeah, this is not cheap. This is just little bit costly, you can say a little bit costly, but yeah, this is completely worth if you will purchase it. And I will assure you that you guys are completely satisfied with that. And in my case, I have to remove this because of my son, because he will come out and he'll play. This is his play area, so I need to remove then and now when I have to shoot, I have to fix them, and then I have to stop my shoot. I have to close all the backup. I have to do backup. But if you have a separate area, if you guys have any separate area for your shooting, you can leave it as it is. And this is also good thing. Yes. So yeah, this is my video for this. And so yeah, this is it for this video. I hope you guys love this video, helpful for you guys. So now I'm signing off right now. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe my channel, and do share this video to your another friends. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.